You ready to see me struggle with React and CSS and HTML? Because that's what's gonna happen, man. Q Ultimus, how you doing? Another attempt at the React machine, that's right. We'll see how it goes, you know. I get so nervous every time I try to do like something that's not leak code. It feels so weird to like do anything different on stream, you know. Notification on point? What was my notification? Something about the meetup this weekend, perhaps. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Flumsy just moved to New York. Flumsy is the creator of Elite Rooms. So we're trying to welcome him to New York. So anyone who's in New York, you know, be a good time to meet everybody. Alright. I guess we'll wait till the timer counts down before we start. I don't even remember anything I was doing, so I don't even think I did much the last time, man. See how much I can get done tonight. Probably not much. Yeah, sometimes I feel like to work on this stuff offline, but then I kind of just force myself to just stream whatever I'm doing, you know. So apparently now that I was doing the onboarding project and everything, I get a page on Outlier that just says projects not currently available in my area. Wait, what are you talking about, Q Ultimus? Onboarding project. Get a page. Oh, Outlier. What's that? I don't know what that is. Is that the AI thing? Yeah, the AI thing. So I guess they don't want you to do it in California, or maybe it's like very specific zip codes or something. Dang, that sucks. Maybe you should try like a dang VPN, you know? Or something. Alright, are y'all ready? Oh wait, YouTube. Am I streaming on YouTube? Yeah, I am. We're on YouTube. We're on Twitch. We're about to begin the web deving. I feel like I should have prepared a little bit more for these streams because I'm just kind of freestyling out here. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a design in mind. I don't even know React. I don't know Remix. And I'm just like figuring it out as I go. All right, are we ready? We might be ready. Ugh, where do I begin, man? I was gonna say, where are your UML diagram? What is a UML diagram, man? I don't even know what that is. UML diagram. Unified Modeling Language. Oh, these things are the boxes. Nah, we're good. We don't need that junk. This isn't real engineering, man. This is backyard engineering. Or something like that. I don't even know what this is. Alright. Let's see. Let's see where we left off at. So this is where we're at. Yes. Very nice, very nice. Got those stars spinning. Q Ultimus's name all over the place. What? I forget what I need to do. Clearly there's a lot that needs to be done. We gotta do a type racer champ section. We gotta have multiple years in this thing where you can like click the arrows to go to different years. Maybe we gotta do the topics page. We gotta do some other stuff. I wonder if maybe we can put type racer champs in the type racer stats page instead. Maybe, yeah. All right, let's see. Let me just do some random things. I guess I'll remove this part. And is that like a real link? No, that just links to topics. So maybe I'll copy this, rename it like type. Should I call it type racer? And should I rename that as type racer? And we don't need all these resources, right? I don't even know what those resources are. I'm gonna delete them. Slutty, what's happening? Were you able to fix the star animation thing, or just gonna use a GIF? No, I think it looks somewhat okay, but I might use a GIF. I don't know. So it is spinning there. I think it it might be all right, you know. But we gotta style it a little bit nicer. Trash Panda Software, how are you doing? Second time lurker, like your title, as I am a React developer learning Rust in my free time. Well, I'm like the opposite of you, man. I'm a C++ programmer trying to do front-end web dev. Been reading a lot of math today. Reading math? What do you mean reading math? That's crazy. Like just laying in bed and reading math? I didn't know people do that. Like a math novel? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like a book about math facts like Pythagoras or Blaise Pascal. Math without numbers. Like x plus y equals z. I don't know anything about math. Rob Cats, what's happening? What's 9 plus 10? Who knows, man? I don't read math. All right, let's try and make this dang website. So this is my website currently. This is just strictly HTML and CSS, no crazy JavaScript or anything. And I'm trying to like modernize this website into React, maybe update the UI a little bit to make it not look just like a document file or something, like a Microsoft Word doc, you know. But it looks objectively worse as it is. I think this kind of looks pretty cool, but this looks really whack. Has a lot to do with the colors right now. All right, let's just try and get the layout somewhat working. Let me try and not be too slow today. All right, first things first. What are we working on? I don't know. Let me try to make should I try and like give some random names here, or no, that's okay. Oh yeah, I want to make, let me put subscribers 2024 here. what do I want to do? I want to make a little button to go to like 2023 and 2022 and so on. But then it needs to get like different subscribers. So I need to figure out how to do all that. So how can we create a little button that when you click it, it loads some different values in there. That's what we really need, man. So I don't know any of this junk. Do you have to put like a link or something? How does React work, man? Smart coder, thank goodness you're here, man. We need some front-end devs or people who knows like React to help me out. I'm dyslexic. Dang, that sucks. Maybe. In the middle of doing squats, but thought it would be nice to give you a viewer. Thank you very much. You need a date range since you will now load all the type racers into the DB. So you need calendar pickers. Smart coder, what do you mean calendar pickers? Like I think I'll just put all the type racers up, all of them. Maybe I'll just do by year, like you can go 2024 type racers, 2023. So there's like you can't customize date ranges. You can only click on whichever years. That's what I'm thinking, you know. I don't want it too crazy yet. Maybe in the future we can do custom date ranges and things. But all right, I just want to be like how do you even make a link that you can click in React, man? Shy. Like I want to click this and it loads up new data here. How do we do that? Do I have to Google it? This is going to be painful to watch. Varian X, it looks like you're using Remix. I just joined, but you may want to use link rather than a. Yeah, thank you. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is the one time backseating is 100% allowed and it is actually encouraged because I don't know what the hell I'm doing and I'm not trying to like figure everything out. Wait, do I have link? I gotta import. I already got links here. So it's like link to. But then I don't actually want it to link anywhere. What I want it to do is like just load new data, you know? So on click, I want it to, in this part, load some things. Link allows you to use remixes client-side router rather than a, which will behave like a dumb link. Right. I think I learned about that the last time, but I forgot everything. I want to backseat, but I know nothing about React. Yeah. All right, let's go to the dang remix docs and try and figure some junk out, man. How do you make data load on click or something, right? I don't even know where that would be. Is this how people do development? Because I feel like a dummy right now, man. Not sure where data is come from. Is it a database? Eventually, it will be I guess, a database. So like I plan to build an API that will query the database and return the data. But for now, it's just gonna be hard coded, you know. Not familiar with React, but not familiar with Remix, but in React I would probably use the use effect hook to determine the on-click re-render. Okay, so I suppose what you're saying is I should have some type of state where instead of like hard coding these subscribers, I should have these subscribers in a state somewhere, and like when I click, I just load the new things into that. Man, I gotta look up everything. Where would I even look for that? Fetching data. Streaming data. Is this what I want, man? Since all hard-coded, you don't need to fetch. It's hard-coded for now because it's just a placeholder. But I would definitely like it to fetch and just kind of simulate a fetch. Are you trying to cycle through a list of subscribers or something like that? I'm trying to cycle through years. So when you click on 2024, it shows the 2024 subs. When you click on 2023, it fetches 2023 subs and it shows it up on the page, you know. Set a state variable, and based on what you click, set your hard-coded values. Yeah, I feel like what we're doing is a bit backwards. Wait, what? Where we are setting the face first before you have the back end? Man, it's all good, Q. I am very backwards. Unidentifiable. What's happened? Oh wait, React? Man, this is gonna be tough to do, but yeah, React. Yeah, I want use state. All right, how to use use state? Let's figure that out. Use states. So, man, just show me the complete code, man. I don't know what to look at. Oh, this is a whole ass tutorial. Check out the official React docs. All right, all right, all right. Thanks for the tips. I really appreciate everybody who's out here trying to help me out, man, because I suck at this stuff. All right, so you're saying we need something. Wait, where do you put that? Function my component. Da 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 da. So you want something like this. And then, so I guess like right here or something, I'm gonna have subscribers, set subscribers, and how do I define the type? I forget how to do all that. Is it like this? Or I don't even have a type here. Oh, supporter. Do I have to be like that? And then I can set this initially to this. How do you define the types in this? For is this like a TypeScript tutorial? Use state TypeScript example. Oh, something like that. Use state with the like this. That's what they're talking about. Oh yeah, there we go. To be honest, I never bother with types when starting out. Well, I don't want it to get too crazy if I just have no types anywhere. I'd rather have types initially because that's what I'm used to with C++. But my problem is I don't really know syntax or anything like that for TypeScript, and I don't know how React works. So what you're saying is like, I just use this state here and like when I click on this 2023, I have like some type of function that will change the state here for set subscribers. Let me see. Eldoras Nova, how are you doing? Welcome to the party. All right, so I'm gonna create this function somewhere. Where do I put this function? Inside this thing. Subscribers 2023. And then now, instead of a 2, do I just put like a on click? Is there an on click? Or what's, oh, it needs a 2. Is link the right thing for this in that case? I don't know. Let me see. Brian, how you doing? All right, let me try this out, man. Oh, that works. But I gotta put that on the. All right, now how can I pass a parameter in this one? So, can I do that? Supporter. Supporters. Does that work? Supporters. And then instead of, how do you, can I do that, man? I don't know. How do I pass in a parameter there? Oh, I have to, Eldoras Nova is saying you gotta do something here. Like that. And I click that. Oh, look at that, man. That works. All right, I'm gonna pass in this thing like that, and then 2024. Is this how web dev works? Man, we're cooking out here. All right, now we're making good progress. This is like way more than I did last time. There's usually more banging your head against the keyboard. Wait, we're not there yet, man. We'll get there. Don't you worry. So maybe I'll add like 2022. Do I have 2021? No, but I should. And then I gotta like, how do you style them? How can I style these things? Do I put them in a div? Oh shit. I don't like that lint. This looks ugly. I gotta figure out how we can change that. I like it to look like this instead, you know? But I'll mess with that some other time. Yeah, F linters? No, I like linters, but I guess you just have to configure them. So what do I want to do in this? I want the things to like be a little bit spread out, but I don't know. I have to look up like a Tailwind cheat sheet. All right, I just want spacing in between. Yeah, space between. Let's try space x1 or something. Let's see how that looks, man. Oh, look at that. A little space. How about space x4? All right, now we're on to something, man. You probably want to use flex here for a short flex box. Wait, the space thing isn't good. I also need maybe like a heading. Subscribers. And then, all right, let me also do just something quick. Maybe a 2022 one. And I'll put Varian X and L Darus Nova. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I hope so. Even this is just, wait, I didn't I didn't change this up here. All right. Oh, look at that, man. We are making great progress. If you want to clean up your on clicks, you could define a list of years, then do years.map. That way you only have one definition rather than over and over. Let me think about what you're saying. So instead of doing them like that, you're saying to I don't know, like years, or make a years thing. So I don't have to manually add a new year every time. I just add it to the JSON or something. All right, so if I do that, how do I C++77? What's happening? All right, let me do something. Years. I don't know what type it is yet. I got 2 interviews next week. Dang, busy week, man. Congrats. So you're saying I should do... I don't know how to do this stuff, man. Is that the right syntax? Hold on. But you can change the mouse icon in the year to do more intuitive for click. Oh, right. Cursor pointer. Yeah, somebody or Varian says that. Hold on, I'll do that type of stuff after. Let me just, because I'll only have to add 1 year every year. So you're saying, wait. I got a career advice question. What's up? Oh, from YouTube. Software tools, welcome. The space between the wicked lies. Wait, what? The space between the wicked lies we tell to keep us safe from the pain? What are you talking about, man? Welcome. He's building website with C++? No, man. I'm a C++ programmer trying to do some React. And here's my website right now at midnightsimon.com. And it's really just an HTML file with some CSS. But I'm trying to update it and rebuild this, but not exactly like this, but rebuild it in React with a new look, you know? That's what I'm working on. Man, I just ate, but I'm feeling hungry. All right, let me try that cursor thing. So you're saying I put this thing and then I do a cursor pointer, and it gives me the little thing. That's cool. Thank you. Hungry for some Java? Nah, no way. Never hungry for Java. So I'd add the styling to your A element. Just add to each one. Yeah. I just did that. Thanks. How many hours did you sleep last night? Maybe you're tired, not hungry. No. I know when I'm hungry, smart coder, and it's usually when my belly starts grumbling. The real Raymond Jones is in the house. What's happening, man? How you doing? I'm trying to just redo my site and get familiar with React and Remix. So this is where I'm at. I can click some buttons and it does some things. Look, your name is up here, real Raymond Jones, but it doesn't do anything yet. It's just dummy data for now. It's okay to eat Java. The floor is Java. Nah, I don't know what you're talking about, man. Wait, years on click. Oh, Trash Panda. You must be a professional out here, man. Let me try that. Oh shit. Wait. I don't know. Excuse me. Man, whatever you gave me here blew everything up. I'm just gonna comment that line out. So, how does this work? Years? Oh, I don't even have a years thing, right? Oh, I do. Maybe these should be like strings. So you do that. Do I have to do a return here? And then we'll return one of those things. But then you're saying I can do like backtick here. And then I can like, I don't have to do that part. I just put in the year. And then I put the year like that. Does that even work? Oh, wait. Hold on. But this is a string, but we don't want it to be a string. How do you make this to be like a variable name instead, you know? Like, do I have to catch on fast? Well, I mean, maybe I lied. This is not like the very first time I'm ever doing React and stuff. I did React like 5-6 years ago or something. A long time ago, but I really don't remember much, man. The ticks shouldn't be there. But then how do I get, like... How can I... Change array of strings to an array of objects keyed by string for supporter group. Oh, I see what you're saying. So it's like an array of objects keyed by string. So does it have, do you mean, I don't know TypeScript, man. Do I use like an array, or are you saying I should use like a dictionary? But, and then like 2024 maps to subscribers 2024 or something. Is that what you're saying? But do I have to worry about the order here? Is a dictionary ordered or unordered, or is it like however you set the thing in TypeScript? Let's see. Wait. Wait, so how do I, oh, so maybe I need like year and then supporters. I don't know how this key value works in the map. Hold on. So what do you think? Is a tech support role relevant or good in order to break into CS? So for one of the companies, the title is support engineer, but the title is more of disguise as a tech support role. Not sure if I should take this job if my goal is to be a software engineer, but the job market is tough. I sent 500 applications out, just want to work. Man, I'd say take what you can get right now and continue to work on your skills and, you know, keep on keeping on. But if you need money, man, you gotta get paid somehow, right? Wait, map. All right, maybe I don't know what I'm doing here. Can I have like a tuple or something? Or a pair? Anyways, maybe this is not necessary. I feel we don't need all that fancy stuff yet, man. So I'm just gonna backtrack and maybe I'll revisit that when my skills up level a little bit. All right, let's continue to move on, because even though it would be cooler and whatnot, I don't think it's super necessary right now. Just want to see, do you think a tech support like role would be considered as a waste of time? Depends on what you're doing, man. Maybe it might be a little bit relevant to like an entry-level role, but I don't know. It's hard to say if it would count towards anything. I think you'd have to know what you do in that tech support role. Like, are you just trying to tell people, have you tried restarting the computer? Or is it like you're creating in-house tooling with Python or something to do other stuff, you know? So if you're only telling people to restart their computers, maybe it might not be too relevant. But if you're building things to support other roles, then yeah, I think for sure it would be. John C wants to do a little type racer. Are we ready for type racer? What's up? All right, let's do the type racer and then come back to this. Yeah. I'm thinking of just taking the job. How long after accepting the job would it be acceptable to look for other jobs? Man, you should just look immediately. Like if they're paying you say 60,000 a year and then you get a software engineering job paying you 150, I would just leave immediately, man. Who cares about what they think? And who cares if they don't want to hire you again, man? You already got a bigger, better job. So don't worry about like having to stay at that company for a set amount of time before you jump ship, man. If you get a software engineering job offer, just go, you know. This, whatever job you're taking here, just think of it as a stepping stone. Oh, Trash Panda. Thank you. Year. Oh, I see what you're saying. So you have this object and you define like those things. I see. I said. Should we try that? When is your coaching session? Steven Sagaball, what you talking about, man? When do you want a coaching session? Would it be bad if I'm job applying if I'm only working there for a month? Should I include the job on the resume? Wait, man, if you're only there for a month, then you get a new job. Just go to the new job and forget that you ever had that 1 month job, man. Nobody really cares about that. Especially if it's like, you know, a smaller company. They're not, it's not like, all right, if you're joining like Google as a support tech support, and if you leave after a month they blacklist you from the whole company or something, maybe I'd think twice about that if you want to work there as a software engineer in the future. But if it's just some no-name company, man, who cares? Just try and look out for yourself, you know. You gotta pay the bills, you gotta do work, and then if a better job comes along, just take it and don't feel bad about leaving. Oh wait, man, I keep forgetting to look over on YouTube, my bad. Howdy, Rev Gaming, how you doing? On that, oh, what's up? Software Tools, my bad. Dave Matthews. Dang, you must be like my age talking about Dave Matthews Band. All right, so let's revisit the years thing. So years, you're saying, I forgot what you put, but you can have like 2024, and then subs would be like something like that is what you're saying. 3, 2, 3, 2, and then we can just erased it. I shouldn't have erased it, but it's like years.map and then year subs, and then return one of those things, and then we put the year here. Maybe like, do you have to put it like that, or is it already going to be? Well, I'll fix that. How do I make the year? Is it like? All right, and then now maybe I have to like give these things types. So this would be, how do I make the type? Wait. Wait, need the square. Oh wait, we're supposed to do a dang type eraser, but hold on, I promise we'll do it. Years out map doesn't exist. Hold on. So that part works, but maybe it will still work. No, it doesn't. The syntax is crazy. Wait. But need, wait, John C. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like that. Oh yeah, that's real cool. Oh wait, now I have it doubled. So let me just take those out there for now. Boom, thank you very much. That's a lot nicer, I'd say. Is it nicer? I hope so. Because I guess in the future this won't be hard coded. This will be like fetch from a database. So I'm gonna have to refactor this somehow, because it's not just gonna be a const in the file. It's going to be doing some type of fetch to an API. But would that be easy to refactor in the current state? So instead of just passing the objects like that, I'd like it to actually, oh, I see, maybe on the on click, handle click, maybe in this, it will like call some type of fetch, and then maybe the year or something, and then we build a fetch, and the API, we call the API with the year, and it will just return the supporters, and then we set the subscribers to the return value. Anyways, I think it's possible. We'll figure that out when we get there. Wait, interface year data. Yes. So, wait, what's the difference between a type and an interface? I've been using type. Can I just use type, or do I have to use interface? Supporters. And you're saying I have to hit them with the year data like that? Vic Rant, how you doing? Day was pretty good. Now I'm doing that web dev that I promised y'all like 3 weeks ago. Pretty sure you can use type. I have muscle memory of interface. Yeah. I don't know much. I'm just gonna use type then. Thanks. Wait, I bought Exponent, but it kind of sucks. Exponent? What's that? Is that like Pramp? Alright, what's next for us? I feel like we've made great progress compared to last time. Wait, radical meme. Sorry, I just seen your message. Do you hate it yet? Please save the souls that have been needlessly tortured by this framework and make your own. I'm not making my own framework, man. Y'all are crazy. Alright, so we got these dang years. What else should I add? I'll work on the styling after. Should I work on another page? Guess you. Oh, type racer. Shit, my bad. Let's do it right now before I get too into this thing. All right, here we go. Type racer time. The first race is a warm-up. Second race, championship. And we're not gonna do bets right now. Maybe the next one we'll do a bet. Here we go. Here we go. Let me get ready. All right, just the warm-up, man. If you're one of these guests, you gotta. Oh, we got Colombia in the house. Is that real Raymond Jones? They got 2 Colombians in the house. Crazy. All right, just the warm-up. Oh, France. Welcome to the party. First race, warm-up. Second race, championship round. 3 Colombians. 2.5. Q with the 113. Very nice. And so many guests today. I suppose it's because I'm doing web dev. There's like a different crowd who don't normally type race. All the algo people are sleeping. Oh, look who it is. Mr. Don't Defense himself. Late to the practice round, but it's all good. The championship round is next. All right, here we go. Championship round. Are y'all ready? This is for all the money. And everybody knows the winner of the championship round gets added to the list of type racer champs. Y'all ready for that? But if you're a guest, your name doesn't go up there because who knows who the hell you are with guest on your name. I mean, it will go up there, but it will just be guest like this. Oh, and I forgot. Type racer cam. Let's go. That was like a really hard passage, man. Don't defense. Barely won, man. 102. Oh, Bobby Blue. Rating with a party of 7. What's happening, Bobby Blue? How are you doing? You barely won, man. Look at that guest right on your ass. You won by like a centimeter. Clean win. I guess it doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning is winning. Wait. This is really wild. Didn't know type racer was a thing, man. It's a thing. Thanks, Steven Sagaball. Thank you very much for the raid. What the hell, man? Did you just start a stream just to raid me and then end the stream? Anyways, Bobby Blue, what are you saying? You just did a mock with Bet Simp? How'd it go? Were you able to get the strong higher? It's on for 12 hours? No, you weren't, man. You tripping. Steven Saggy Balls. That's Steven Ball Ball. Yeah, Pat gets VIP for sure. He's a dedicated streamer in the Leak Code community. Wait, he doesn't say anything, so it's a fail? It's not a Leak Code problem, just a brain teaser. Dang. He's a tough interviewer. Alright, let me put Don't Defense up as the Type Racer champ real quick. You guys want to see why I'm redoing my website? I'll show you right now. Every time I gotta update this dang thing, I go to this thing, I scroll down all the way on my HTML, I copy this line, I manually update this date, type in somebody's name, Don't Defense, and I put in the WPMs, and I save it, and boom, that's how I update my website. Alright, what are y'all saying? I'm arguably the best type racer here. I'm arguably highest rated leak coder here. No VIP, unfair. Don't defense. You make a strong case for yourself for VIP. The council will take it into consideration for the next round of VIPers. That's for sure. Also, we're gonna have a meetup in New York this weekend, all you Leak Code nerds out there. So anybody who's in New York or somewhere close, if you're interested and you're in my Discord, you should check out the Discord. You should make us fight for VIP. Man, I'll be in NYC at the end of the month. Can't come earlier. End of the month is like Thanksgiving. Larry joined. Yeah, Larry says he can probably stop by, and he's gonna see how many people on his Discord server are interested to meet up. So we're just kind of gonna combine forces there. But last time Larry said that, I don't think anybody showed up besides Larry and Inrosis. That's so many people. Nah, it's only in New York, man. Is BetSimp coming? I don't know. Somebody should ask him. Is he here right now? BetSimp ain't even here, man. BetSimp is going to China this weekend. Dang. So I guess he's not coming. Alright. Intentionally avoiding us. Yeah, maybe. Alright. We missed BetSimp. Should we get back to the website building? Hey, Don't Defense. You want to see how much progress we've made? We've made tons of progress. Look at this. I don't know when you came in. Maybe you just came in for the type racer. Look. Do you have a backend? No, man. We ain't that fast out here. Is it on GitHub? Wait. Is what on GitHub? This, my website? Yeah, but it's private. So I made these dang buttons where you click it and it loads up the different ears. So that's what we've been doing for the past hour. So is it on GitHub? Yeah, it is on GitHub, man. But I don't think it's a... Let me check. Is it... Is my repo... How do I even check, man? Is my GitHub public? It's not public, man. This is top secret source code. I don't want you guys stealing my high quality source code, you know? Alright. What's next? What's next on the list? What are you talking about, Steven Sagiball? Talking about leak code here? We don't talk about leak code, man. This ain't a leak code stream. This is a web dev stream. But yeah, everybody knows Meta asks top questions. You roasted me yesterday for not being committed, yeah. Yeah, I get it, man. What's T50? I guess top 50? I don't know. Alright, so is it free range, grass fed? Yeah, grass fed and hand massaged source code. It's plump and it's marbly. That's what this source code is. Alright, are we done, man? Is this my website? I think the website's finished. What more do we need? It's pretty good to me, man. Just needs a little CSS and I'm gonna launch it. We need to do Factorial stream one day or Don't Starve. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe sometime next year I'll consider it. But this year I'm like so busy. Is Q Ultimus the definite champion? Q Ultimus is just, I mean, he's a champion for sure. But this is just dummy data for now. Alright, let's make... Should we do this part up where... What do you think is missing? Oh, should I try some bits? So I only have the stars, but no bits, man. Why is that? Little stars, big stars. Oh, we don't even have the bits in here. So I have big bits and little bits or something. All right. I think you should work on a backend first. You just need a simple SQLite database or something, plus a server for requests. Then you can already start populating real data. Wait, it's a bit odd to start this way. Wait, why is this odd? I think, I don't know which way is it. Do you normally start with the data first and then build around that, or do you start with the front end, fill it with dummy data? Because you're gonna have to rewrite so much. All right, you make a good point there. But man, we are front ends here, are we? I don't know if we are, man. I think we're mostly back end here. Back end first? Yes, I see your points about backend first, because I've already encountered something where I might have to rewrite some code. Like this part here, well, this part where I'm like handling this click on the thing and this function is, it's not doing what it should be doing in its final form, because this should be fetching data from the API, but instead we're just feeding it the actual data, you know. Best way to learn top sort. I would show you top sort if this was a leak code stream, Steven Sagiball. But I'm sorry. Maybe another time. Maybe this weekend I can show you top sort. Yeah, Saturday is my next leak code stream. But top sort is all about, it's just BFS and you're counting your in degrees Every time you get to a node in your BFS, you decrement the in degree for that node, and once the node's in degrees reaches to 0, you add it to the queue. And that's all. That's like what top sort is. So if you know how to do BFS, you know how to do top sort, man. You just have to count an in degree is how many nodes, like, or the count of how many nodes go to that node. You can extract the data to JSON files and encapsulate the loading from a separate class like a service, which we'll talk to your backend in the future. These have dummy strings that are the request JSON responses from the backend. I would stop having dummy data like this. Huh. But either way, I'm gonna have to figure out the database. All right, so you wanted me to just work on the back end. How do I do that? I don't even know where to begin because I work on weird C++ stuff, you know, libraries and whatnot. So can I Node.js backend? With Remix, do I have to create like a new backend thing, or can I, is it like, it has some stuff to do all that here. Think about the database. Yeah, what database info do I want? All right, let's think about that. I think I was kind of thinking about that the last time I did this. Wait, I'll just use SQLite because you have not much data. All right, how do we design the database? Should I just open up a new text file or something? Should I just do it in the comments down here? Because I'm a caveman. Drawing Excalidraw. All right, we can try Excalidraw. Oh, don't defense, guiding me through all this junk. All right, so first things first. How do we make this dark? There we go. Next, are we gonna do an ER diagram? What the hell is a ER diagram, man? Entity relationship, man. I don't know about all that. I love ERDs. Yeah, I never heard of this in my life. Yeah, so I know what you're talking about, don't defense. So let's try and do that. Let's do the supporters. So I'm thinking a supporter. This is like the table name or whatever, right? And what should this be? First, we need a username of a string. We also need so when you subscribe, you can either subscribe or you can have bits. So I need like, I guess a date. Something like a type, I don't know what to call it. And it's either like, what would the type be? An enum or something? And the enum, a string for the type? Just use strings? All right, let's say it can either be, strings are cool. All right, I'll take your advice. What else? What else? So, should I have like an amount? Because it could be a bit, but like how many bits and how many? I don't know if this gets a little weird, you know. So the supporters will have something like this, where optional int works. Oh yeah, because it's only for the, can I put like in, like this is either a sub or bit, right? Number, same thing, man. Y'all know what I mean. Int, number, string. Should I put number? No, this is database. Database takes in like very specific types, yeah? So optional int. So I imagine this is how my supporters database table will look. And maybe, wait. Should I make this like a cool color? I'll make another, this one is like type racer. And all right, the type racer would have like, I guess, the mode or the type or whatever. Should I put mode? String, and it's like def mode or regular or whatever, right? And the WPMs, man, this text is not that great. I wish it would just be normal. Can we change the font in this thing? Oh, font family. It's kind of hard to read for me. All right, WPMs would be an int. What else would be relevant? Hints, what's happening? I do interviews with Excalibur, like half the people I interview complain about the fonts. Yeah, it's like such a bad handwriting, you know? I mean, it looks cool if you don't have to read it, man, but if you gotta read it, I'm not into it. I guess we also need a streamer table. This one can look weird. Oh, I can choose the fonts, man. Hold up. But we don't have many options. I'll just leave it like that. All right, so this is the streamer table. Username, last online. No. How do we do this with the streamers? Last online? Or because maybe this is a bit limited. Maybe I should have like, yeah. I was thinking like, should I create an event every time somebody goes online? No, that's too complicated. Last online is fine. Or should I maybe like is live or something? Or online, is online. What else would be what in the streamer part? If they're online right now, the last time they were online, and their username. That's all I need, right? What a day. It's Simon that streams at midnight. The Midnight Simon. What's happening, man? Hin in. How you doing? Link. Yeah, the link is, we can just fill in the twitch.com/username. Separate link? I don't know. I think we can derive a link based on the username. Because maybe they have a moronic Twitch ID versus their well-known LeetCode ID. Oh, yeah. Maybe, alright, maybe I have like Twitch username. I don't know. We can always add, I think username is fine for now. So I also want this website to have like registration. I have some ideas. So I'll need like users also, you know. I want people to be able to sign up and log in and do things on my website. That's like something for sure I want. And I want everything to tie in with some, wait, don't do anything with login in V1. All right, but eventually we'll need that. Yeah, that's login is a mess. I thought it's easy these days. You just use one of those auth services, right? Like you don't even have to do it yourself these days. Or is that not true? Jay Marthins, how are you doing? Yeah, this is Excalidraw. All right, so now we've defined our simple database. Don't Defense is recommending to use SQLite. But what if I do want to have like users sign up and stuff? Is SQLite still a good choice? What are the limitations of SQLite? Like, what would be some reasons to not use SQLite? If you have more than 1 million entries, I see. Wait, why? I don't even know anything about SQLite. Simon's acting like he's in a system design. Man, I'm trying to design my new system out here, man. What you talking about? It's a bit slower. I would still include an independent user because you can pass around users for a lot of that stuff and reduce code. I never used a NoSQL thing. I think I used MongoDB like 10 years ago, man. Or, yeah, maybe about 10 years ago, 9 years. If you need to change, you'll be able to pay someone to migrate it. That's the level of success you need to reach to switch from SQLite. All right. All right, SQLite it is. Wait, so why wouldn't I just use like Postgres or something versus SQLite? Is it just because SQLite is a lot less to start up, or it's like just really easy to start up? Way more complicated to set up. SQLite isn't its own service. I don't even know. It's just a library and a SQLite file. Wait, what do you mean? It's just like a text file on my server, basically? That's what you're saying? It's not even like... Dang. I mean, I've set up like MySQL databases about 8 years ago. Maybe a Postgres database here and there 7, 8 years ago. I don't really remember anything though. SQLite doesn't need a database server, right? So I can just host this on I mean, I have a server already. I have a dedicated server that I was planning on using to host my database, if it's like Postgres or something. But if you're suggesting like SQLite will give me a lot faster development and stuff, maybe I should stick with it for now and deal with the migration pain if I make it big in the future. How much do I pay for the server? Like $70 a month. So I guess that means SQLite, you don't really have like, you don't have to worry about indexing and junk like that and rebuilding indexes. Backups are trivial. Oh, all right. So maybe I can even migrate it myself in the future. But if I need a migration, that means I'm big balling and I can just pay someone chump change to do it. That's what you're saying. I see. Yeah, I went from no 6 and I got like, I don't know what I got. I forget. I've had it for years. Got like one of these things, but maybe something like this. So I think, you know, this should be good for a long time for me. All right. How do we do SQLite now? Where do we begin with a backend? Do I have to make like a whole new backend API file? Because I know React sometimes you can do everything in one thing, but maybe this is not one of those stuff. Choose your backend. I'd say Python, but you can go for Node.js or some other cancer. All right, how do we share? Do we share types between the front end and back end? Is that a thing, or do we have to like define the types both places? I guess if you use Python, there is no shared types, but if we use like Node, is it not an overkill for a website? What, my dedicated server? I use it for other things, and I just like having my own dedicated server, so if I ever need to do anything that requires hosting, I can just log into my server and do it, man. But I agree, like I don't use a server much these days, but in the beginning of my programming years, I used it religiously, and I used it so much, it was like always doing crazy things. But these days it's just hosting a bunch of simple websites, and every now and then I'll host like a game server on it or something. And then I use it to like mess around and tinker with things. These days I don't tinker too much though, because I got a job and I'm busy. But man, if I use Python, I'm gonna have to learn Python on top of all this other junk I'm learning, you know? All right, let's try to do a backend here. I don't even know where to start with that. Should I just use like a Node.js? Python time, Pat's hello world. What's up? You already know a bit of Python, man. I know the only thing in Python I know how to do is you need tabs, and maybe I know how to do like a for loop with enumerate. All right, Node.js backend. We're Node.js docs. We got to start from the beginning. I mean, do we need like Express or any of that stuff? Probably not, because it's just like, well, maybe. Node and Express? Is that like the typical thing people do? Should I just look up Express docs? What do y'all think? Oh, Pilo from YouTube, man. Sorry, I haven't been seeing these chats. Just use Express. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Like 2010? Wait, what do you mean? So Express ain't it anymore? What what should we be using instead of Express? Tell me what I should do, man, because I'm lost. All my knowledge is like from 2010, man. Okay, that's good to know. Express alternatives. Check out, I think Next.js. Nah, I don't want to use Next.js. I'm already on Remix, and then I hear, I don't know. I'm trying to self-host also, so I just want something. Maybe Express might be okay, but let's see what Reddit has to say. I still always use Node Express. Express is fine if you want something light. Micro is decent. This person is saying Fastly. Nest.js. Fastly. Another vote for Fastly. Express. Another vote for Fastly. Should I just use a C++ backend? Nah, we're not doing that, man. All right, let me see what Fastly is all about. 32,000 stars. Wait, check out Hono. It has a remix adapter. 20,000 stars. Hono means flame in Japanese. Man, I gotta start taking Japanese classes. That's what I need to be doing. All right. Backend should be so simple. You 100% can do it in C++, but it's just less nice than Python. Use ChatGPT, it can instantly create a backend that does what you want. Nah, I ain't. I'm trying to learn also. I'm not just trying to use ChatGPT for everything. I'm trying to get to the point where I actually know a little bit of things, and then maybe I'll start to incorporate some ChatGPT type of stuff. But for now, I want to keep it old school, you know, because I'm an old dinosaur. Anyways, all right, so I'm just gonna use Hono because somebody recommends this. You say that's all we gotta do. Not that Go code. Wait, what? Oh, what the hell? What is this link? Alright, Remix and Hono can be used together through the Fetch API. I don't know what any of this means, man. But, alright. Yeah. Thanks for the link, but no idea what it says. Express is pretty common if you're doing a Node backend, apparently in 2010. If I start a new side project these days, it's usually SvelteKit plus Pocket Base. Never heard of these things. Pocket base. Don't know what that is, but thanks. Random user. How you doing? Are you late, man? You are so late. You're like an hour and a half late, man. Welcome to the party, though. All right, let's just get it started with Hono. I don't know anything about this stuff, but maybe we can figure it out. All right, so proceed. Yes. Target directory. Let's call it Midnight Simon Backend. Man, I don't want any of these things. Wait, Node.js. That's what we want, right? What the hell is bun? Deno? Lambda Edge? Node.js. Do you want to install dependencies? Sure. Let's use npm. I created the account to save your ass. Use Express. Man, you created the account just tell me to use Express. You think I'm going down the wrong path by not using Express? Deno is Node 2.0. Alright. I feel like I've already committed to Hono. We're just messing around, man. We can always do something else in the future. It's made by the creator of Node. I see. Well, you're using JavaScript and have 50 viewers. Are you gonna get 75 opinions somehow? Yeah. It's been it happened last time too, man. It has so much example and you can incorporate with different frameworks easy. Yeah, so I know Express is like tried and true, but everyone's telling me it's not well maintained and I don't want to go back and forth right now. So I'm just kind of committing to Hono without any solid reason, just because somebody said Hono, you know, and they were first. And I'll learn. If I made a mistake, I guess I'll figure it out soon. All right, here we go. What are we doing? Do I just be like npm run dev? Oh, okay. So now, all right, API. Let's say get, I don't know, get subscribers or something. Wait, what? I don't even know what this syntax means. How? Should we first bring up the Hono docs? Yeah. Yeah, Q. I'm just trying to like see what's up here. C. What the hell is a C? Context. All right. Man, these are the Hono docs. Hono in 1 minute. Yeah, that's what we need, man. But they're just typing what's already in the thing, man. We already done that. Alright, so now we gotta figure out like... Oh, you know what I need also? Well, I guess we should figure out the database thing first. SQLite. How do you use SQLite? Is it like something we just import? like this. You're using Remix though. Do you need a separate API with its loaders? I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing. That's for sure. I'm just kind of doing some random shit, so it might not even be making much sense. Alright, how do you use SQLite here? Can I just hit them with this? And then I do queries like that. Alright, let me try some things. Do I have to install this? I'm absolutely a newbie when it comes to this type of stuff, man. It's to throw everything at the wall method and see what sticks. Yeah, Q, that's how I roll right now. Should I just use ChatGPT, man? Alright, maybe we gotta install SQLite. Alright, here we go. This looks promising, man. I don't know what that verbose means, but just copy and paste in a bunch of junk, man. Alright, so database, get some error. How do you bring in types here, man? I don't even know if we need those things. So create table, create database connection. I need the final. Yeah, as I'm going through this, I'm thinking, what's the difference between what I'm doing right now and like using ChatGPT? Maybe I should just use ChatGPT. I guess this is like written by somebody who knows what's up. ChatGPT might give me some bogus, right? It can explain to you. Oh man, maybe next time, man, because I don't even have the GPT thing set up on my browsers. All right. We gotta learn SQLite, man. So what am I trying to do? I'm just trying to run something to do the most basic thing like this. So I need to create a connection, the file path. And then this is a. Alright, I'll copy this stuff and see what happens here. But this is like Hono also. I don't even know what any of this stuff does, man. Like, I've never used Node really in my life. Wait, what's the final site going to do? The final site, I'm just trying to upgrade my current website here. And it's really just a static site that I have to manually enter stuff. I'm trying to create like a database and an API so I can just log in and add people through a user interface or let's just say through a UI and stuff. So I don't have to manually, like right now if I want to update the site, I go in and I manually edit the HTML, man. And I'm tired of doing that. I'm tired of that. So this is like a handcrafted website and I'm just seeing how to make it more modern. And right now this is what I have. I think I closed the server though, so it's not gonna run. I forget which tab I was on. So I'm trying to figure out how to make this node thing connect to some database. Maybe I should do these separately, actually. Let's make a new file. Test. Oops. And then how do you... slutty. See you later. Have a good night. So we can delete this junk after. How do you run this thing, man? Do I just go like test.ts? Or do I have to be like node? It's ts node. Guess I don't have that. Hold on. Node. Should I just rename it to a JS? Because I'm not even really using TypeScript. And then, alright, can't find... What is that? Module? What does that mean? So none of this stuff worked. Use the wrong path? Did I? Oh, it's in source. All right. What the hell does that mean, though? What the hell? Yeah, thanks. So change it to C. What the hell is a CJS? Am I getting shot at? Maybe. Check the import. Wait. I don't know what this stuff means. So it's the require thing that's messing it up, you're saying? Let me just try this CJS thing. There we go, man. We got the fish database. How can I view this thing? Can I just open it anyways? Is there like a SQLite viewer or something? All right, now maybe we should go back to the dang Excalidraw. We're getting somewhere slowly. Wait, VS Code extension. SQLite viewer. Looks good to me, man. Oh, look at that. It's so easy. All right. So instead of sharks, let's start with the supporters. And all right, we got username. We got dates. What kind of types do we have for SQLite? What should this be like? SQLite types. Oh, ask chat, man. I'm not gonna ask chat GPT today. Maybe another time though. I'm not set up for chat GPT right now. Do I have to make an account? Can I just ask chat GPT without making an account? You know, that's, if I can do it without making an account, I'll do it. But if I gotta make something, all right, make a SQLite table with how do I tell? I don't know. I'm not a prompt engineer, man. With username, dates, type, and amount. Let me see what it does. So text is what we need. The date would be a text. Can we use a different thing besides text? Or is text the best way? Did it not have like a, I guess we can use an integer as a timestamp? Or is that kind of weird? Let me ask ChatGPT. Is using an integer for the dates a bad idea? It's not a bad idea. Yeah, so I don't want that dang text as a date, man. Get that out of here. Yeah, this is what we need right here. You guys want me to use ChatGPT? There you go. Is that good? All right. Should we run it again? Didn't work. Let me delete this. Let me run it one more time. I don't want it to be called fish. It's a dumb name, right? All right, here we go. Supporter. Should be supporters. Let me delete this again, man. All right, for real. Last time. Here we go. Supporters. Username, date, type, amounts. Yeah, I see what you're saying, doing defense. All right, so now we got the dang one table. Wait, can I chain together like multiple things here? Let me try. Let me go back to Excalibur Draw Type Racer. Username, date, mode, and WPM. What the hell is a reel? Hold on, I didn't see that. It's like a double. Real number? What's a real number, man? I didn't know, like a non-imaginary number. I don't think we need a real number there. Oh, I think we just need a regular ass number. Let me go back. Oh, Opti21, what's happening on YouTube? It's real, yeah. I'm on YouTube right now. Trying to be. So we don't want any dang reals. We just want integers. I don't know if this is good, but we're about to find out. Do I have to delete this every time? Yeah, because it exists. It's not going to do anything. All right, let's see if that makes 2 tables. That makes 2 tables for me. Let me add the next one. So streamer username is online and timestamp. So we got streamers username. Wait, last on what? Het tennis. Thank you very much for the raid. I think this is the first time you're raiding me where I'm not doing leak code, man. I'm doing some web dev. How you doing? I'm trying to redo my little HTML site here. I'm trying to rebuild it so it has a database and it's using like a modern web dev stuff like React. And it's been interesting. Is online, last online. So is online. What would this be? A bool? Where the bools at, man? Wait, is online shouldn't be in the database? Let me think about what you're saying. Oh, Robodom, what's happening, man? Long time. Making a CRUD app? Man, it's gonna be way more than CRUD. Let me think. How would I set that? Cache results for 5-10 minutes. You need to store shit that you care to keep if the server gets messed up. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, man. So we don't actually need that. We just need it to be... So, alright, I'll have like a little thing to query Twitch, and maybe like say every 5 minutes I'll query Twitch, and then I get the usernames, and if they're online, no, but then I'm just gonna leave it. But all right, okay, make a new table, username is online and last online. Integer. Interesting. So there's no booleans. I gotta use this integer stuff. ChatG, man, I don't know anything about this type of development, Robodom. This is my first time using React. My first time in like 5 or 6 years. All right. We'll try these things. How is there no Boolean? Yeah. We'll be alright though. Oh yeah, last online integer. Good eye. I don't even need these comments, man. Alright. Now we made our database with all the tables that we'll need for V1. Jamarbo, what's happening? I'm a senior Java programmer, but I have become a bit out of date due to mentoring and leadership tasks. I want to start practicing and get back into shape with code. Where do you recommend I start on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank? I don't know anything about HackerRank, so I'm just gonna say LeetCode is probably the best platform out there to practice algorithms for interviews and whatnot. And I think you should augment your LeetCode studies with maybe some of these lists or whatever. So there's like the Blind 75, LeetCode 150, Sean Prashad has a list. All these lists that go through all the different topics. The LeetCode Explorer is also pretty good. So I think, yeah, maybe just getting started with one of those things. Get familiar with all different topics, you know. Will anyone be able to make edits to your new site? Yeah, me and Don't Defense and maybe other people. We'll see. Maybe everybody can edit the site. All right, what's next? So I created this junk. Now we need to like start filling in data. So maybe on like one of these things, I'm gonna make like add. I don't even know. Should I have this like a post? I mean, don't do adding shit, just getters for now. And then like pre-populate and then create the adding stuff. All right, so let's get subscribers. But all right, how do I take in parameters in my query for this thing? I guess we should look at the Hono docs. Beardage, how are you doing? Do you have an affiliate link to the Competitive Programmer's Handbook? Man, that Competitive Programmer's Handbook is free, man. Just download it. I guess you could buy it too, but I don't have an affiliate link. So you're welcome to just go buy it wherever. And I think if you're just practicing LeetCode for interviews, Competitive Programmer's Handbook is probably a bit overkill. I don't think you should start with that if you're just trying to be interview ready. How much of the stuff there do you know? Wait, what do you mean? Thea MC Worlds, how are you doing? I just use HTML, Java, and CSS. I've been told I'm a psychopath for doing so. Oh, I don't know anything about being psychopath, man. How much stuff do I know from the handbook? I've read, let me tell you where I've read until, man. I think I'm around like chapter 15. I kind of stopped reading it. Yeah. So reading it is one thing, but actually implementing some of these things, good luck, right? So how much of this stuff? I'm about halfway through the book, but I don't know geometry. I guess I don't know anything in the later chapters, man. Glump is in the house. What's happening, Glump? Wait, you're using Remix. You should look at the loaders before you go crazy building out these API endpoints and kind of like RPC stuff right inside your components. All right. So you're saying I should look at the Remix loaders docs to see what they're all about? People joke that I raw dog the code too much by not using React. I'm here to check it out. Can I get your opinion on a website I'm working on with Java? Are you sure you're using Java, man? Or are you talking about JavaScript? Two different things, by the way. All right, so what the hell are these loaders? And how do you work them? I mean, this looks like it's just building an HTTP request. And then it gets the thing and loads the results from the thing. So I don't know if building an API before doing this will be bad or not, you know. All right, I'm just gonna build a simple API just to get some subscribers, and then I'll try and build a loader in the Remix thing to go fetch from that and see how it works. That's my goal right now. Our goal is to fetch some subscribers from the dang database. But I guess we have to populate, like pre-populate the thing. But I suppose we can just create like a script here to do that with dummy data. All right. Where do I begin? What was I doing? Hono docs. Oh, I don't want GitHub. I want to get started. Basics. So I want something with like arguments or query, the query stuff. How do you do that? WebSockets, auth. Thea MC Worlds, thank you very much for the follow. Oh yeah, this is what I need right here. Well, is it what I need? So I can have something like subscribers / 2024, and then I query the database and return the junk. Let's try that. So what did I put, like year or something? And then query page. Oh, is that like, let me see what's going on here, man. RoboDom, thank you very much for that hydrates. All right, localhost / all right, let's try some experimenting. Did I didn't do that wrong. You want to see what are you talking about, man? Oh, so it does work, but that doesn't work. All right. We got that working. So you're saying there we go. There we go, man. We're making progress. That's what we're doing right now. All right, how the hell do I do anything now? All right, let me try to fill in like some dummy data in the database. Let me look at Ask ChatGPT. Or wait. Is it just regular? This is all we need. Inserts. Return this. All right, should I make like a new one of these? I'm gonna rename it to insert junk. You can 100% ask ChatGPT to create for you a Python script that parses your divs and creates a SQLite database. Dang. I might have to experiment with that one of these days. Watch any movies recently? Nah, I haven't watched anything recently. Alright, here we go. Man, don't defense. What are you laughing at, man? You are a funny guy, don't defense. Anyways. I'm gonna just erase this. Instead of returning the database, let us try to insert some things. ID, username, wait, wrong one. ID, wait, supporters, that's what I want. ID, username, date, type, amount. ID, username. Wait, I forget, I forget what everything was already. Date. Type. What kind of type is this? Let's say a sub. Can I just do that? All right, let me see if that works. Oh, I need this. All right, let's see. Wait, what? I feel like I sent you down a bad path. Suggestion Hono. I didn't realize how early you were for you doing just use built-in. Yeah, I'm building a website, man. I think Hono is fine, man. I'm pretty early. I'm about 2 hours in this time. I think I did like 4 hours last time. Yeah, so I think Hono is fine. It's just not. I'm like not gonna build this crazy thing in like an hour, you know. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to insert this junk. It's called inserts junk. Let's look. Oh, look at that, man. We got 2 people in there. So now let's try to make a getter in the Hono thing where we don't need no dang page. What do you mean? We just need the year, man. That's all we really need. Alright, so how the hell do we query the database? Oh, wait. Should I have used the timestamp for my date, or should I have just had, I guess, a timestamp? Alright, I gotta get some real timestamps. Unix timestamp, no. Can I just edit right here? Yes, I can. No, I can't. I can't edit. Read only. Get out of here, man. I personally would have a separate date string in the database. Why? Any reason? Wait, can I delete this? How do I delete a row? Is this just a viewer? Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. So maybe having both might be useful. But I was going to create a timestamp query, like where I'd be like select all where dates is from this timestamp to that timestamp. But it's like you need Unix math. Oh, I'm just gonna, since it's a date, I can just hard code the timestamps, right? I can just be like, give me January 1st, midnight, 2024 to whatever. Anyways, what I really need to figure out right now is how can I just edit the SQLite stuff? What's this thing for? Is there like a extension for SQLite editor? All right, let's try this, man. Delete and create again? It's too much work. All right, let's try this editor. I'm gonna use this editor here. Yeah. So, streamers, let's go to supporters. And man, get out of here, man. Hey, how do I get get these dang pop-ups out of here? Jesus Christ. I'm just trying to click on the button, you know? Making me do all types of crazy things. Alright, there we go, there we go. What a terrible looking UI. Anyways, I'm gonna stop looking at that thing now. So what we're doing, we're trying to do some queries in it. How do I need, maybe I need like this thing here in the Hono file. Restart VS Code. All right, let me try that. Thank you, smart coder. Man, what time is it? It's almost 11 p.m. Now I need to figure out how to access the SQLite database from the Hono file. Can I just have this somewhere up here? Like, I don't know how any of this stuff works, man. Let's try that. And then how do you do a query? db.execute something. And was it supporters? Let's just try that. But wait, how do I get, let me just look up the thing. Or should I ask ChatGPT? Write a SQLite query to get everything in a table called supporters. For Node. Make it work in a Node.js or in a Hono. This is what you're saying I should do, man? Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know what that stuff is, but does that look good? LGTM, man. Using .nes. Do you have a file where all the requests here database goes, or are you just doing something different? Wait, what? I don't know. Wait, tell it this is a type. All right. Do it for a TypeScript file. This is what modern development looks like. I just use ChatGPT for everything. This looks the same, man. There's no types here. Oh, it's still talking. Anyways, who cares about that stuff right now? Let's see if it does anything good. Oh, so all right, we can't have requires. Do I have to do it like this? Import, or should I just change it to a CJS file? I don't know. I'm just trying some shit, man. I don't even know if this works. This does not work. Or do I have to put... Let me see if that does anything. Hold on. Wait, you shouldn't really mix import and require in the same project. Wait, import all as FS from FS? What does that mean? ChatGPT told you to install type sent node. Wait, did it tell me to do that? Oh, this thing? Man. I'm just like doing a bunch of random stuff. No idea. What does this, what does that curly braces thing here mean, man? Do I need that? Import all dependencies as keyword. FS? What's FS? Oh, maybe I don't need... What's my database name? Midnight data. All right, let's see, let's see. All right, the path, does it have to be like all this junk? What does that mean though? It's getting a name function. Oh, like destructuring. Are you using a SQLite? Yeah, I am. Don't know. All right, what the hell is this? Do I need all that, man? Can I just do that? Yeah, let's just keep it simple. All right, now what are we gonna do? Let's try to go to the thing. Error. All right. Support there is no such table. That's not true, man. All right, maybe. Okay, I think I know what's up. Maybe I need to be like that. Maybe not. Do I need the full path? Wait, the dir name thing is a node environment variable. Your server is running in a different directory. Wait, so you're saying I do need it, but Doesn't work without more config. Yeah, they're in the same directory. Like this database file and this thing is in the same directory. So oh, it's in the root. Thank you, hints. I'm gonna just I'm gonna try that. Oh, look at that, man. We're in business. All right, how the hell do I make that data nice, you know? Jesus. Well, first, oh, how do you translate? Yeah, I see what you're saying. Don't defense about the Unix timestamp math. Which is, yeah, I'm just gonna make it, yeah. I think I'll do your suggestion, man, because now I'm thinking like I have to translate that year into the timestamp range, which is definitely annoying. So let me try to oh shit. Wait, there are no tables? What are you talking about, man? Oh, that's the wrong table. Or that's, oh Jesus. I want this one. I got too many things open. Alright, can I just add? Alright, maybe I have to like regenerate everything. Jesus Christ. No worries, no worries. Jesus. Oh, maybe it's like on right there. So I want to do this test one. I need to modify this to have dates. I guess we'll put like year. Something like that. And then when we insert some junk, I'll say, what was it? Date then year. So this is our date. Where's that Unix timestamp? No. Let's put those dates in. And then let me put in a year for 2024. Just to make life easier. The comma? The comma? What's happened? Lopez, how are you doing? On the test? Oh, good eye, good eye. Alright, let me try to node. And then insert junk. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, snaps. I think I did not delete it. Alright, we're in business now. Snipe that comment from Orbit, yeah. So where were we? Where were we now? Let's make the query like select all from supporters where year. How do you do SQL, man? Is it equal? Can I just put equal? About to find out, man. Well, that's not the right one. There we go. Let me put in. Well, I think we're all right. So now I need to, oh, maybe select username. I have to find a way to like massage this data now. But be right back. I gotta pee real quick. All right, we're back. Oh shit, man, I'm sorry I haven't been paying attention to the YouTube chat. But what's happening, Sunzi, Mr. Gamer? What's happening, man? Welcome, Angel. How are you doing? All right. Look at all the mechanical keyboards. Yeah, there's a few. You know, you're a backend type dude on your project. To learn React starts by learning, SQL to output raw table JSON. Wait, what? I'm just a dude, man, trying to build something, and I don't know what I'm doing. What was I doing? I don't remember. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to make this data into we need, all right, I think I need more complicated data in the table. So let me actually go back. I think I might have to redo the data tables because, well, no, it should be all right. It should be all right. Let me add some more things in here. These timestamps are gonna be all wrong. How many tables are you creating right now? 3. Is the API ready to be fetched? No, we're not ready. We're not ready. But I'm trying to create the query that will get the data in the right format. So I'm doing that by adding a bunch of new things here. Just dummy data, right? Should I delete the database again? Sure. All right, so now we got a bunch of junk. And then I want the query to be, I need to group, how do you write queries, man? And how do I make it go in more than one line? I need to like group by, I don't want all, I want, what is it, username? Username, yeah. I want to group by username. And wait, let me just ask ChatGPT for this and see if it can do it. Write a query on a table has username. Wait, write a query on a SQL table to get usernames and group by the username and add up other fields. I don't know what to say to it, man. Oh, sum. Yeah, that's what I need, man. Something like that. So select. Yeah. Exactly what I need. So, alright, what am I doing? Clicking around. I need to go to here. So select username, sum, amount. We also need like type, group by username. What else do we need? Amount, type, year. No, we don't need year because the year is there. All right, how do I put this thing in there? Do I go like this? Is that possible? All right, let me see if that works. No. So I can't, how do I make that query? Wait, string literal do a money sign. I see. All right, new error, new error. Group by. What did ChatGPT tell me to do? It says group space by. All right, let's see, let's see. Oh, look at that. It's too easy. But is it correct? Wait, some amount as amounts. Hold on, I don't know. I don't know if that's correct, because for sure we should have more, man. Oh, these are all 2003. 2000. Let me edit some of these. And then let's see it now. Oh yeah, there we go. So we got the bits. Oh, let me try and get the subs and the bits in one. So this is a sub. So it should be sub. Oh, we need type. So we need to group by the type as well. Or something. Wait. Not group by. Right? Wait, group by username type? Can we do that? Yes, we can. There we go. One note about your select code, it allows SQL injection. Right. Wait, why page 11? Yes, so I should sanitize these inputs or whatever, you know. But we'll get there. How do you... Alright, what's some good practices to do that? Parameterize queries. Oh, you don't need to sanitize use. Wait, the package has already fixed it? Parameterize queries, what do you mean? Like instead of going to this URL, we go to like... What does that mean? Oh, this is, you're saying parameterized queries is like a library or something I install, like a package, or no? It's just a SQL feature. Oh, all right. How do I do that? Should I just ask ChatGPT? My library has it. Oh, like this? I see. So instead of doing that, I just put a question mark there. And then maybe we don't need these things. We can just use these. And then we put the things like that. So now it should work. Easy work. Nice. Thank you. All right, so we're making progress. A little bit of progress. I'm getting hungry and tired, but I want to keep on keeping on until we at least query the API from the React thing. So let's try and do that. How do we do that, man? Trying to figure out some new junk here. So I want to like, all right. Now nobody can visit, yeah. Nuke my database, yeah, that would be bad. Now, Now is where you use those loaders. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to use those loaders. Is it this? So loaders. I don't know what I'm looking at here, really. Not gonna lie. Should I ask ChatGPT again? Or is this good? Loader, blah, blah, blah. But what is this get? Like, I'd like to see this code here. Maybe they have it. Oh, here it is. So I need this HTTP junk. I need this DB junk. Look at any of the pages in the example code, they should have examples. A loader is just a magic function that Remix will run server side. An in-air component, use a use load data component. I don't know. I don't know anything about Remix, man. So whatever you just said is a little confusing. So Remix runs server side and client side. For something simpler in the interest of time, you can just use a fetch. Alright, but I think maybe I should try and use this loader thing. Maybe. Should I watch this video?
Welcome to this remixing loading data in a route. So I've got a very basic app sitting here on the index. I'm going to link over to this route for /people. Let's go look at that file. Here it is. See, we've got just this empty array nothing here, and I'm going to open up the network app, and we'll kind of see what Remix does here. So when I click this, list of people. All right. Rerun this page, change the URL, and down here you see the OT date, first name, oh, that's the whole name. Last name, Florence. Maybe I'll put like an ID on here. And look at that. So now we got the JavaScript also loaded this data in parallel. Did it with the fetch request. And then right here we can see that Remix fetched this data for us. We got to this page. So how do we access that fetch? We can make the fetch ourselves. So the right fetch Remix will give us that. Use loader data. Put that with Remix. Hit save. Let's watch this happen again. This time, click it. Hey. So it shows up with the fetch.
Wait, what just happened? What just happened? Just doing it without loaders will make it obvious why loaders are useful. Learning why they exist is way more important than just learning how to use them. For your use case, you query the DB right from the loader. So you're saying I can just wait, how does Remix talk to the database? I guess I should probably know how Remix works, man. That's why I'm saying you might not need a separate API. So Remix can just read from a SQLite database like that. Because it runs first on the server. I see, I see. All right. Maybe I should think about my next move, huh? Man. Do the async fetch in the loader that runs on the back end of Remix, so when the front end loads, it's already fetched. So the HTML is pre-hydrated with the data. All right, let's see what we can do here. So maybe, I mean, yeah, I've already populated some things in the database. And I made this little query. So you're saying I can just put this query into Remix instead of creating this API and it will just do it for me? All right, where would I put these? Where would I put these things? Would it be a, I don't even know what the route or anything is. Fetch a URL you set up to query that. Pick a page in your, all right, so let's say I'm on the index page, right? And I just want to get the data. So how do I have to move this database down into this folder, or just provide the path to that database in Remix and it will just know where it's at? Add a top level function named loader, like what this guy did. Export async function loader. Is that the right syntax? Oh, I see. So this is just like hard coding the data here. And then I see. Wait. Let me refactor a few things here. So I'll put this dummy data just to see how it works, right? And I'll put this like, or nah. Can I just return can I just return it like that? And then, so you're saying instead of this use state, I should just let this be like use loader data. And then let me think about what I'm doing, man. Can I do that? Let me see. Oh, hydrate. Thank you very much for that hydrate, Lopez. Cheers. No condom, Chris. What's happening, man? I'm out here trying to do web dev stuff and I'm getting crushed. Wait, where is my dang... Too many things open. Wait, did that work? I think it worked. I think it did load. All right, so that loader thing is actually doing what it's supposed to do, except it is hard coded right now, but we want to try and make it fetch from an API or something, right? So you're saying we should work on that. Ain't no way I'm seeing a leak code streamer do React. JCast19, how are you doing, man? Welcome to the party. We're trying to figure out some remix, not only React, but remix. I'm learning a lot, man, because I don't know anything. Where's that video? This guy is doing... What the hell is on arc tables, man? So you're saying I could just do a fetch right here and return the fetch. Wait, do it with fetch API. First fix course errors on the API. What do you mean? Since it's running server side, you just be fetching from your own server. Yeah, it would be, right? So it would be like instant is what you're saying. All right, let's try it, man. How do you do that? What's the fetch? Do I just hit them like that? Let me see what happens. Just inline the query. But how would it know to like get the database, like the SQLite file, you know? How would it access that in the query? I'm sure there's a way, I just don't know how to do it. Is the server running? Yeah, it's running right there. All right, let me wait till it does its thing, and then I'm gonna see if it works. Alexis Gonzalez, what's happening? What was that YouTube channel you just used? It was the official remix junk. I'll send the link. All right, did I break it? What's going on? All right, here we go. Here we go. That did not work. Something. Maybe. How does this? Wait. On the API, you did not import the core's middleware. How do you do that? Console log the data. So I got a response. How do I read the data? Because that's just like the response. How do you get dot body maybe? Let me see what's up. Nah. Response.json. Let me try some things here because I'm not really sure what I'm doing, you know. Pending. Do I have to like await that or something? What does that mean? There we go. There we go. All right, what's next? What's next? It's still... It ain't working right. Maybe because it doesn't match this thing. Let me change that. So display name. Oh, I see. I see. So I don't need the type. I just need to put... I need to like consolidate this stuff. And my SQL isn't good enough to do it. But maybe your SQLs are good enough to do it. So in here, I guess we want to like, all right, I want to turn these two things, I want to group them together, and I want to have amounts or bits 100 and subs 4. That's all I want to consolidate these two things. How do I even ask ChatGPT to do that for me? So I guess we don't want to group by the type, but I want to differentiate the sum, the different sums from the different types in this thing. What do I even look up? Don't even bother doing it in SQL, just do the query, then map it into the correct format in code. I think that's a join. Let me think. Man, it's been a few months since I've done any SQL, but I feel like I should know these things. So I'm joining. Oh yeah. So that means I gotta do like a couple of different queries. I do one query for the bits, the type of bit, and then I do one query for the subs, and I group both of those by, but then I join them together and display. Yeah. So you think I should just do that in code instead of SQL? Which way is cleaner? I don't know. It's possible in both ways. Doing it in code would be easier for me, but I think doing it in SQL is cool, you know? But I'll do it in the code for now. So where are we at? Should I... You're saying I should just do it like right here? So here's my data. And then let's say... Can I do like that? And then, so this is what the data looks like. I want to iterate through everything in there. I don't know how to iterate. This is like a LeetCode problem now. What VS Code theme is this? I don't even know, man. What's happening, Tony? How are you doing? Arik is in the house. What's happening, Arik? How's the React going? It's going pretty slowly, but we're making some progress. Can do joins or subqueries to do it all in SQL. Yeah, I don't feel like to go to learn that stuff right now. I'd rather do it in the code like he suggested. So I need to I don't know. What am I doing? I need like a map. And then I want to like map each person to the amount of bits. Wait, maybe I should be like bit counts and sub counts. And then so row bit count dot wait, if row dot type is bit, how do you do that, man? Promise type does not exist in string. Oh, how do I turn this into a non-string? I am our Lopez. Have a good night, man. Thank you for tuning in. Alright. I gotta do some Googling. Wait, add let. Oh, wait. Allo Milo. What's happened? Add type. Let data equal type. I see. Alright, let me just do a quick and type data junk equals. Is that the right? And then it's gonna be like username, type, amount, number, and this is gonna be thing of like that. Is that right? Can use of type bit or sub. Oh snap. That's even cooler. It's currently any type now. Wait. Let row of data. All right, what's the difference between of and in? Oh, thank you so much, man. You just saved me a bunch of time. In is used for more keys and objects. I see. Maybe. Alright, so if it's a bit type, I want to like do a bit count of row dot username. Alright, so now how do I define the types for this map? Is it like something like a string to a number? I don't know. I don't know how the hell. Record string number? Wait. Oh, cool. Thank you. We're learning some things out here, man. And then now I'm just going to try to build up my process data. How do I do that? Maybe I gotta do like, is that how do you create a set? Can I just use a set? Let's do it like that. usernames is used before it is assigned. Can I just do that? New set. Oh, new set. Thank you. Thank you. And then now what am I doing? I want to iterate through and then I want to say current supporter is a supporter, and how do I do I have to initialize that to something? All right, this feels like, hold on. How do you assign this to an empty thing? Impressive how quickly you have rejected semicolons. Yeah, I suppose I don't even think about those dang semicolons. Empty objects. Yeah, I didn't even... Oh shit. That's... Oh man. It's not there. Like that. Oh, so I can be like display name, username. Oh, I see. Bits is gonna be bit count, username, and then stars, I guess. All right, we're making a little progress here. Is it push, append, push back? All right, let's see. Empty object. Do you know about destructuring assignments yet? I know it from other things. So you're saying I can just destructure it like something like this? And then I can just call it there. Like that. Cool. Thanks. All those things do exist in C++, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe like more modern C++. Maybe not C++ 1999 version. Because I use them all the time. The syntax is like for something. That's what the C++ syntax looks like. Alright, so this is supposed to put the data in the right format for us, and then it should be able to be displayed. Let's see. Oh yeah, but it's not really displaying the bits or the stars, so maybe we got to do a little bit of debugging here. Bits nan? Get out of here. Hold up. How the hell is it gonna be a nan? An undefined? Oh, how do you... Oh, I see. How do we set like a default value? Well, maybe you don't even need that. But what the hell is a nan, man? How come that didn't work? Because the amount is a number, we're adding numbers. JavaScript things. Oh, so when you get something that's not in the map, it doesn't create a default value. You have to actually check if it exists and then set it equal to something. Otherwise, all right. Hepta 5. What are you talking about, man? I'm sorry. Anyways. Alright. How to add to a JavaScript map. Default value. Default map. Should I use a default map? Just a plain old object? Okay, I see. It's a plain old object, so I have to check like if bit count. I don't know. How do you check if something is in there? Dot contains? I don't know, man. How to check JavaScript dictionary for a key. Man, JavaScript is funky. This is what we gotta do for real? There must be a nicer way. Since JavaScript is falsy and truthy, you can do object key. So I can just be like, if this, then do that. Otherwise, do that. Man, that looks ugly. All right, let's see. Oh. Can I use ternaries here like this? Oh, look at that, man. We are in business now. You can use question 0. Oh, cool. Like that. Very nice, very nice. It's working. All right, now should we try and make the dang things click to 2003, 2004, or whatever? So can we pass in a thing like this, and then I don't know, do something like that? Or how does that work now? Like if I want to load something, how would I do that? Or do I have to like make a new state for the year to load and then do some weird things? How did we make such little progress last time, man? Last time we spent like 3 hours trying to do a tutorial, which was a waste of damn time, you know? You guys are the tutorial. Y'all just tell me. Oh, Simon Lally from YouTube. What's happening? You have a great name also. I think you need to have it add like a query param to the URL when you click the year. Then you can. Let me think about what you just said. Brent Arata, how am I liking web dev? It's alright, man. It's actually a little fun. Even though I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm so happy you all are like guiding me, you know? So you're saying alright, I'm gonna try some funky stuff. Wait, should this loader be here? How can I get this? Oh, give YouTube some love, man. I just did. Thank you, Hepta5. Thank you. Can I do that? Wait. What was I trying to do? Let me close some tabs. I got too many tabs open. Wait, now everything kind of broke. Oh, because this broke. I need to figure out how do I do this loader with a parameter. Remix loader pass parameter to it. How do you do that? I don't even know what these people are talking about. Wait, you can have the endpoint return all the years of data and split it in the front end or do multiple fetches. Yeah, I want to do multiple fetches. Maybe. I don't know, actually. I haven't really given it much thoughts. Jordan Paul KS, what's happening? I'm doing all right, man. Loader. Oh man, I don't know what I'm reading here. It's too much to handle. It's also approaching the end of the stream. The request part, wait, do you link the request part? But where does it get this URL request URL thing from? How do you, all right, this is a fetch request instance. That GitHub answer had the answer. You can't pass function parameters to the loader. You have to encode the data into the URL through query parameters. This is to make sure server-side rendering always works and browser navigation doesn't break. In that case, move your prep step to an, what's my prep step? To an external function, and then do a fetch for each year. Then, so you're saying maybe if I'm to do it like this, I should just fetch all the years and all right, let me think. We are designing as we go along, man. So maybe you're saying I should just get all the subscribers and then just manipulate the data here. But then I have to modify this to have the correct years and whatnot. Man, this code looks so ugly, but it is what it is. You have to remember the page is calling the loader using fetch. So inside the loader function, you can access the entire request object. Yeah, I think I'm just not really, I don't have a good understanding of how Remix works or how React and server side stuff works or anything. So maybe I should like read up on that on my own time so that whenever you guys are trying to give me some tips and hints, I can know what the hell you're talking about. But I have like a small idea right now. Can I give you a GPT query for another way to prep that data? There's a lot. Sure. Think of a loader, just an API endpoint. Dream about Remix and it will make sense in the morning. All right, I'm gonna try that. Fetch everything and filter by year when clicking on that button. All right, so yeah, I think that seems like what we should be doing. So maybe I'll just like change this endpoint to just do that. Hold on, do I have to restart this? And then now, oh, maybe I should get the year as well. Wait. In TypeScript. Oh, that's the query that you're talking about I should copy? Wait, he's saying I was grouping by year? I wasn't grouping by year. Oh, I need to group by year. Do I need to group by year? Yeah, right? Hola, we them boys, what's happened? I'm just rebuilding my website, man. Nothing too crazy. But it's almost time for me to go. Maybe I might continue this tomorrow. I'm not sure. But let me at least just finish up some things. Maybe I should just get the years all working. Wait, let me check if the endpoint is doing what it's supposed to do. Where are we? We're here. Where's my endpoints? 3000. All right, so that is working. Now, what am I trying to do here? Oh, GPT thing. All right. What the hell is this, man? This is some fancy stuff. Interesting. A reduce. So they're saying I should just use this, huh? Combined. I don't understand what's happening here, really. What are these things? Where do they come from, you know? ACC? What is that? That's the accumulator. Okay. But where is it coming from? Like, maybe I should read up how this reduce thing works. Many ways to do something. Those are the keys. It's the last parameter of reduce. Oh, it's type racer time. Alright, do you like TypeScript? I'm not too sure. I don't know much about TypeScript. Alright, I guess let's do the type racer and then I gotta go, man. And I will continue this next time. Maybe I'll just copy this and put it in a comment in the file. Steven Code Stuff is in the house. What's happening, man? I'm out here trying to do front end stuff, man. It's tough. All right. Starting to read TypeScript docs. Wait, what are we doing? We're doing type racer. Yeah. All right. Final thing that I'm doing for the night is this type racer, and we're gonna bet. We are gonna bet on, will I get triple digits? Yes or no? So the first race is a warm-up, second race is the championship round. And I gotta go to bed, I got work tomorrow. Boring bet? Yeah, man, I don't have time to be thinking of fancy bets right now. That's the bet that I do when I don't want to think too much and I'm trying to get out of here. Alright, there's the type racer. I got an offer from Google again, so I'll be back on the 18th. Steam Code Stuff. That is amazing news, I think, right? Is that what you wanted? Or how are you feeling about joining the company again? And are you going to be working in Toronto, or where are you going to be working from? Man. On the 18th, so in like 10 days, still in Toronto. I see. I see. Alright, let's do this warm-up round real quick. Yeah, can you move to America? Can you transfer to America? Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris with the 112 in the warm-up round. Man, Pat's Hello World 96, Don't Defense 98, Q Ultimus 89, Clistar 83, and a bunch of guests. Too much effort to move to America, man, but you get like double the pay and maybe similar same cost of living. What's happening with Q? Man, his fingers are cold. That's his excuse. No syrup, man. With the increased TC, you can import syrup straight from the maple from Canada. All right, here we go. The championship round. I didn't even put the type racer cam on, but here it is. And by the way, man, if anybody is in New York and you want to meet up this weekend, we are having a special meetup event. We as in me. I think, who's gonna be there? Flumsy is gonna be there. Will I fly you out? No, man. You're rich. You can buy your own ticket. Who else is gonna be there? Larry NY might be there. I'm gonna be there for sure. What's my mouse? I have a G502. Icy Black Deep might be there, and Steven Sagiball says he's gonna fly out there, but we'll see. All right, championship round. Chi-Chi? No, Chi-Chi's in California, man. When I met up in California with some people, he was there though. It was like Chi-Chi, Impact, Foamy. Dang, this is a short one. Not Gentle. Stephen Code Stuff met up in California. I felt like I never got a real chance to hang out with Stephen Code Stuff because I was moving and I was like busy moving and stuff. So my mind wasn't really there at the moment. So I'd like to like hang out with Stephen Code Stuff again, different time. Now that I'm chilling. All right, let's do this race and I gotta get out of here, man. Would No Condom Chris show up? Nah, man. I doubt that. Here we go. Not fast enough. Way too many mistakes. Only 93 WPMs. 6-pack sexy with a 112. Don't defense. The most second place finishes of all time at 108. Pat's Hello World. 89. Q Ultimus. What is going on, man? 84. Clistar 74. And all you guests who need to register. Alright, let me put down 6-pack sexy, aka No Condom Chris. This is the old website, by the way, that I'm trying to update. Everybody knows that, right? Don't defense. Trying to get that double championship back-to-backs, but No Condom Chris denied him with the 112. Easy money. All right, where did Arata go? Where did he go? All right, thank you everybody for tuning in. It's been fun doing this web dev stuff. Maybe I might do another one again tomorrow. I'm not too sure. We'll see how it goes. I did some races intentionally today just so I get an easy passage so I can do a best race better than your best race. Man, wait, my best race was better than your best race? That's crazy. But congrats, you beat me. What keyboard is that? It is a man, Ava Command keyboard. Where are the points? Where the channel points. Let's do that. Oh man, what I get? Oh no, 15,000 bucks down the drain. Don't defense is gonna get all the money, unfortunately. Robodom, Q, No Condom Chris, all making a little bit of money today. Yeah, unfortunately, Don't Defense is getting rich. Yeah, Anyways, yeah, man. I don't want you guys to get money, man. The more channel points you get, the less money I get because y'all are gonna redeem it for things. Anyways, wait, wasn't greater than 100? No, I only got like 93 WPMs. All right, let's go find somebody to raid, man. Oh, I'm not even showing. I'm not even showing the thing. I was saying Clistar is losing all their money, all her money, and Don't Defense gets the majority, but Robodom and Q also get a little bit. No Column Chris, a little bit too. Share final state of the website, man. I don't even know what's up with it right now. It's not even running. But there's a lot of work to do. I just modified something, so it's not gonna work right, you know. Oh, I guess it's working. So that's fetching real data from the database right now. But I haven't put in the bits yet. The bits are the diamonds. And these things are all not working. These clicking buttons don't work either. And I can show you the database. It's right here. And that's what we're reading. So we're only looking at 2024 right now. But we gotta get Arik off that list. In Rosis, how you doing? Yeah, Arik. Where's Arik been, man? He's just been busy bouldering or something. Paste your SQL creation script in the Discord, and if you want, I can give you a .SQL with the real data from your website. Yeah, all right, I'll do that. I'll do that after the stream. But thank you, everybody, for being my guiding light tonight. I would be so lost without chat. I'm like a fish out of water trying to do React remix, and the only thing I know how to do is leak code and some bootleg C++ at my job. Dating that bouldering girl, that's what Arik is up to. I wonder if you'd ever do a React stream, but I never thought it'd be like this. Yeah, this is a React stream. All right, we gotta find somebody to raid. And there's like a 60% chance that that I'll stream another web dev tomorrow. So since should I hit up Sergeant Pepper? I'm gonna do it. He comes onto his channel often. I don't know if I've ever rated Sergeant Pepper, and since we're not really doing leak code today, who cares about rating a leak coder? There's no leak coders on anyways. Alright, everybody. Again, thank you so much and have a good night. Javier D, see you later. Pats, hello world. Have a good night, man. And again, congratulations to Pats Hello World, senior engineer, Steven Code Stuff, Google engineer, and all you other people out there who got offers. Congrats to you. Q Ultimus, Steven Code Stuff, have a good night. Eldaros Sonova, have a good night. Thank you for all the help. Droll Mass, see you later. In Rosis, have a good night, man. Thank you for tuning in. Bobby Blue, see you later, alligator. Don't Defense, I'm gonna paste that thing in the Discord. Thank you so much for all the help. And I'm just joking with you most of the time, man. I Relay a King, see you later. Who else is out there? Everybody, man. All the people lurking. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Hepta5. Have a good night. Wait, what's happening? Brent is on. Anyways, who else is out there? M Huggins, have a good night. YouTube, see you later. Simon Lally, have a good night. Gyro Meth. Have a good night, man. Thanks.